A popular question from buyers is how much house can I really afford? The answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm Nahshon Moore with Red One Realty. Many people focus on the maximum amount a lender says they can borrow, but there's an even more important question. How much house allows you to live comfortably after you move in? Remember, your mortgage payment is only a part of the picture. You'll also want to consider property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, maintenance, and your everyday living expenses. Just because you qualify for a certain price doesn't necessarily mean it's the right price for you. The goal isn't to stretch your budget, it's to find a home that fits your lifestyle and your financial goals. When you buy within your comfort zone, you're more likely to enjoy the home instead of worrying about every monthly payment. If you're trying to determine what price range makes sense for your budget, let's start with a conversation and build a strategy that fits your goals. Every successful home purchase starts with understanding your budget. Whether you're buying your first home or your next home, I'd be happy to guide you through the next step, leading with excellence to exceed expectations.